What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Saturday, December 22nd Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. The rain has finally passed, leaving us with overcast skies in the morning, but will clear up as the day goes on. We're having a warm morning here with temps reaching 50, then drastically decreasing throughout the day. Though the rain slowed us down, it didn't stop us. Conifer Connection will be up and running at 8 a.m. when the mountain opens. However, there will be a delay on Ralph's Run, Look Mom, Hitchcock, Indian Summer, and Sundowner. This delay is to ensure that our team can give you skiers and riders the best riding conditions possible. We will have 14 trails open serviced by 5 lifts on machine-groomed and wet snow conditions. This week, the terrain park was moved from Challenger to Franny's Folly and has 5 features. Please check online for more information and for our extended hours during the holidays. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.